we said that there will be two systems, one for Russia and one for Alliance. I'm talking about anti-missile defense system. So where's the guarantee that the systems can be used one against the other and we won't fall into Cold War again?
Our view is, or our vision for a future structure of missile defense systems is two independent systems, a Russian system and a NATO system, but two systems with a common purpose. And you ask me which guarantees can be delivered to ensure that that the NATO system does not constitute a threat towards Russia. I would like to make 3 points in that respect. Firstly, the system we envisage to build is not designed to undermine the strategic deterrence of Russia. It's not directed against Russia, and it's not designed to undermine the strategic deterrence of Russia. So that's the first. That's the technical aspect. Secondly, I think the very best guarantee Russia could get would be to actually cooperate actively. And that's what we have suggested. That would give transparency. And thirdly, we would also like to make that cooperation visible through the establishment of two joint centers. Two joint centers that could constitute a framework for exchange of data, for